today is a great occasion that we have 7 Buddha Fellows graduating. We are really happy that we have been able to create a proof of concept.
According to the World Bank, 60% of Indians get less than $3 a day. 200,000 farmers have committed suicide in last 10 years. In NGOs like Srijan, we have tried to solve the water problem. We have diversified crops. We have built institutions of poor women. But one missing link is marketing. And that is where we think Buddha Fellowship Program can come in and solve the problem.
Madhu, deeply struck by the finding that 6 months of rice crops was bearing a profit margin of Rs 10,000 to the farmers, he thought of alternative crops, and after doing detailed analysis, he found cultivation in greenhouse to be a viable income generating option. After joining as a Buddha Fellow, visited various social enterprises across India and learned the best practices promoted by different non-profits like Poultry by Pradhan, the exposure and his hands-on experience in entrepreneurial pilot of custard apple value chain in Mehboob made him confident that he can aggregate farmers doing greenhouse and support them technically in market linkage.
During the second year, I started my own idea, that is M-Line, which M stands for Madhu, L stands for Lakshmi Narayana, A for Ashok, N for Narendra Reddy, and D for Dilip. These are the 4 friends which helped me to do this pilot project. They invested 5 lakhs each, and myself I put 5 lakhs, that's 25 lakhs from us, and 33 lakhs has been sanctioned by the bank, and NHB people has given the IPA, that is in principle approval, which they are giving 50% as subsidies. This time I want some cold chain persons to give me some advice how to store these rose flowers for more than 3 days. Then Mr. Kohli suggested that we have to go for a cold chain where we can store it for the 12 days. This M-Land idea has evolved into a social entrepreneurship idea where we can both help the farmers and the investors. My vision in the next 5 years is that to establish 5 greenhouses in every village. Like that, I have to establish these in 15 villages. There will be a holistic development of the village.
Currently, I am working towards increasing the employment outcomes for Tier 2 and Tier 3 city youths, especially focusing on Eastern UP geography. After few months of on-ground research, we came up with a program called Swaramp, wherein we are trying to build an ecosystem for youth who want to enter the freelance work system or the gig economy.
स्वारंभ से जुड़ने के बाद मुझे लीडरशिप क्वालिटी, मार्केट रिसर्च, सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म आदि बहुत सी चीज़ों के बारे में पता चला। मैं मोमबत्ती वन कंपनी के लिए प्रोडक्ट फोटोग्राफर का काम करती हूँ।
The whole program of Swaramp is incubated at Medha. In 2019, we outreached 150 girl participants with Swaramp program. Buddha Fellowship has helped me to understand social sector. The network has given me some of the great mentors.
Buddha Fellowship program has a unique network. With their network, we were able to get in touch with a lot of financial institutions, and that really helped Gramsci to get a debt support of around 25 lakh rupees from Friends of Women World Banking Ahmedabad. That was really crucial for Gramsci to scale up its production unit from 12 metric ton to 20 metric ton.
Entrepreneurship clinics are basically mentoring workshops which we organize on quarterly basis for the fellows. So it is kind of an interface between fellows and different mentors. So we have people from business world, we have people from NGO sector from Bayer, from Srijan, from Pradhan, from Medha, so from small organization to bigger organizations, so that they get a variety of experience, variety of learnings for their own journey.
One of the things which Buddha Fellowship tries to do is provide mentorship across the value chain. There are lots of people who are connected with Buddha Fellowship, who can provide appropriate mentorship, whether it's in terms of technology, whether it's in terms of supply chain, whether it's in terms of branding and distribution.
We are at an interesting cusp. Now we have provided proof of concept of Buddha Fellowship program. Let's look towards the future. Each Buddha Fellow actually is meant to serve 5,000 families. He or she will unlock no less than 50 crores in his lifetime from the government or from the market. We plan, with support of mentors and various institutions with whom we have signed a partnership agreement, to float 1,000 Buddha Fellows who will impact the lives of 5 million people in India. Please join us in this journey and be excited about making India Atmanirbhar.
सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।